Dream It, Do It simply is we are going out to the high schools and middle schools, and we are starting to talk about the gray tsunami and the fact that we need to start to develop a pipeline and a long-term pipeline to start filling these demand occupation lists in advanced manufacturing and the trades. So, for example, we were in the Lockport High School not too long ago, and they were doing what they call STEM wars and robot wars. And they had a couple of kids were showing us at how they program the robot to do certain specific duties. And that's the type of thing that we're trying to prepare our young students for the next generation, because as the skilled trades and the advanced manufacturing folks start to age out, we need to fill those positions. And it's probably going to take 5 years to develop this pipeline where everybody's ready, but we need to do it now so there's a seamless transition between the retirements and the new employees that come in with new technology.